Hey guys, Thunder E here, and today we've got a cool comparison for you. This is between the Pixel 7a and the Samsung Galaxy A54. Now, shooting with the front-facing cameras, both are shooting at 4K 30, and I am here, the sun is in front of me. You get an idea of how it looks, the colors, also the sound and audio from each of them. Now I'm going to do a quick spin around and I'm going to be backlit. I just want to see who actually does a better job here with the sun behind me and what it actually looks like. But let's go ahead and check out the front cameras and do some more comparison on both devices. Now going to the front facing cameras, the Galaxy A54 shoots at 4K 30 max, while the Pixel goes up to 4K 60. But I just want to see what stabilization is, what the front facing cameras look like. Looking at some grass here. Of course, there's the road in front of me, the trees with the colors. Yes, it's a lovely day here in Massachusetts. So let's see how it is, and then I'll show you, of course, some other shots with these devices.